Hello guys, Andy here with another tutorial. Actually, we're gonna make a series this time on how to script in Lua. This is my Twitter account. If you want to follow it, go ahead. So let's get started. First, let's go open up a place. I don't know why it took so long. So let's go and edit this. Wait until it loads. Alright, so basically we're in this tutorial we're gonna learn the basic like functions and such. So yeah, so first we're gonna insert a script obviously, and we can insert it either in workspace or server script service, whichever one you want. I prefer this, I don't know why, just look. So let's just open up the output. Let me find my charger really quick. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, so first let's start off by when the part is touched. Let's, for example, this part over here. Alright, so what we can do is we can insert it into this and then get this object by simply using script.parent. So this is equal to the parent of itself, which is the part over here. So first let's make a variable local part equals script.parent. Okay, what we're gonna do next is part.touch connect function and hit. Okay, so this has one argument, which is hit, which basically means the part that touched our part over here. So we're gonna just do print hit that name, and when we touch it, it's gonna show you the name of what it hit. So let's go and try it out. So let's go. Oops. There we go. Let's go and touch the part. As you can see, it's printing whatever's touching it. So, but now let's try to get the character, the player that's actually hitting it. So, so basically the player will look like, let's just play again. So basically the player is like this, and all the parts are in one model. So we can just use the parent of the part to get the character. And we can see local character equal to hit that parent. And then if you want to get the player object, like the player, not the character that is in workspace, you can do local player equal game dot players get player from character, and you can use hit that parent. And you can print the name, print that player that name. But in case if the player is like null, the another part is touching the player, you can do if player is not equal to null or nil, then you can say player didn't touch part. Player didn't touch the part. And we can do else print player.name has touched the part. Okay, so let's go and try it out. Let's just add another part to so you can see that it works. There we go. Just move it out so we can unanchor it after we touch it. And let's go. As you can see, player didn't touch the part. I wonder why. This should be working. Oh, oh, sorry, my bad. I meant to say if player equals to nil. Yeah, that was my bad, sorry. Let's try it again. I make this kind of mistake sometimes. So, King and yes touch the part, right? So now if we select this part over here, which is this, I believe, yes, and we unanchor it, it says player didn't touch the part. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much. So let's now we can try do some which is over here, and a text button. Oh, whoops. Text button, which is where is it? There we go. Okay, so for every function there is, you obviously need the object dot function name and the arguments. So like script dot parent dot mouse button. Like if you see all of these, you can just do this and go down until you see like a lightning bolt on the left. That's mean that is a function, and it's fired when the thing happens. So, for example, changed script.parent change. This gets fired as soon as something about the part changes any property, and you can use the arguments which is over here. Child added. You also have the argument, so you can yeah. So let's try it when we click the button, and for this the arguments are x and y, basically the positions, but we're not gonna use them right now. And let's say print mouse, no, I mean button was clicked. Okay, let's give it a try. Where's my output? There we go. And we click it, and you can see that it says x8. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do more stuff with it. You just gotta find which event you're looking for, and then you can basically make it a function that easily. Yeah, that's it for this part. In the next part, I'm gonna be teaching you something else. So, see you.